Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a fashion video for you guys, but since I am pregnant, I'm going to share with you guys how I've been dressing my little bump. My very first time when I was pregnant, I actually bought a bunch of new clothes because I didn't really know how to dress. I didn't buy anything new this time. This is actually my existing closet. A lot of it is just stretchy and really comfortable, and hopefully it'll take me throughout my pregnancy. Obviously I'm gonna grow, but hopefully I won't have to buy any maternity clothes just because most of us probably already have things that are existing in our closet that already work. So here are 5 pregnancy friendly, food baby friendly looks that I hope you guys enjoy. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is an outfit I've worn a few times, the combination that never fails. It is an oversized sweater and a very stretchy kind of silk skirt. I got this a few weeks before my pregnancy, not knowing that I was pregnant, but it's perfect because it has this elastic that stretches. I feel like I could pull this off all throughout my pregnancy. I would say it's a really good combination to wear to work because it looks professional, because it's more of like a midi pencil skirt, but it's more of like a comfortable flowy slip. As far as shoes, I resorted to my small kitten heels, which has always been a favorite of mine even before pregnancy, so it's perfect. I've just been wearing kitten heels and flats for the most part, and cute accessories. This is a really comfortable, stretchy maxi dress. This is not a maternity dress, this is just a dress that I've had. It just works, it's a size small. I think I can stretch into it for a very long time, hopefully until my 3rd trimester. And I just really jazzed it up with some cool accessories, lots of gold layers. These glasses kind of make the look. You could serve some looks in a simple look still. A cute straw bag for the summer, and flats. I am all about the flats during pregnancy. So yeah, it's all about the accessories, keeping it simple and easy. Okay, so this is an outfit that I absolutely love. It is literally the last pair of pants that fit me. And they are my favorite paperback faux leather trousers. And I paired it with my Nike Air Max, which are just a cool pair of sneakers to pair with anything. It makes anything look cool and sporty. And my oversized white top. This is from Rejina, and this is a top that's really oversized, so I'll probably be able to wear this top throughout my pregnancy. So the only reasons why these pants fit me, because literally no other pants fit me right now, like even stretchy jeans don't fit me, is because of this paperback waistline. It's supposed to be very loose on top and tighter on the bottom, so that's why I'm able to still pull it off. It gives me a little extra room, but to be honest, I probably won't be able to wear these within the next month or so, so I'm really trying to take advantage. I miss wearing pants. I love being in slacks for work and just like high-waisted jeans, but I'm wearing a lot more dresses because it's a lot easier to dress your bum. Been living in dresses, this being one of them. I think I've worn this over 5 times so far. It is a sheer maxi dress that's super flowy, and it really grows with your bump because of this elastic waistband. I think that's the key when shopping for pieces or looking for things in your closet to wear, is things with elastic. And I love that the elastic is kind of on top of my belly, because sometimes I have pieces that have elastic like in the middle of my belly and it looks just kind of odd, but it really hugs the bump. It came with this slip dress underneath, and a lot of sheer dresses come with slip dresses, but you want to make sure that the slip dress is very stretchy. This slip dress is very stretchy, so it works, and I think I could still pull this off maybe for the next like 2 months. It might be more challenging towards the end. But yeah, this is also another piece that I've had in my closet before I found out that I was pregnant. All right, so this is the best outfit. Save the best for last. It is an all white look, an off-white look. not the brand off-white, but the color off-white. This is a really great going out look if you have a date night or if you're going out to town with your girlfriends. It's really hard to feel chic and get dressed up once you gain 20 pounds and you have a belly. I mean, it just is. It's hard to feel chic and put together at times, at least it is for me. This is a really beautiful slip dress that I just got, and I paired it with my oversized blazer. Kind of has like more of a menswear masculine cut, which I love. This slip dress is actually a purchase that I did make after I did find out I was pregnant, but I got it in a size small so I could wear it not only throughout my pregnancy but also after my pregnancy. That's the thing for me. It's like if I'm gonna buy pieces while I'm pregnant, they have to be super classic enough for me to wear them after I give birth, because you know, if you're gonna spend the money, like you want to keep it in your closet, right? I just really love this kind of off-white champagne-y color on this slip dress. This silk material on a slip dress makes the belly look really nice and plump and round. So I love wearing slip dresses. And I love this little zipper detail. And it goes all the way in the back. And it kind of just dangles in the back. It's a nice little detail. It's all about the little details, simple outfits, little details, and accessorizing it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found some inspiration on ideas on how to dress your bum. I'm really trying to be resourceful this time and a bit more creative on my wardrobe without having to spend so much money on a whole new wardrobe after, you know, growing a bum. Hopefully, even though you're not pregnant, you also found this video inspiring and also kind of helpful for your own closet and your outfits. As I get bigger, I am around 5.5 months now. It's gonna be more and more challenging, so I'll make sure to continue to document the progress on outfits and what I'm wearing, because with every month comes new challenges. But for now, I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time.